For my final submission, I'm introducing NanoSpider. NanoSpider is a visual crawler. So the way it works is the user can input a nano address, which, by the way, is remembered, so you don't have to go copy and paste the same address twice. And after hitting crawl, it'll give you a graph of the recent transactions from that account. Importantly, the transactions you can actually look at if you hover your mouse over the different dots. And, you'll see that at this specific time, June 1st, 144, that address was credited, to Kill-A-Nano from Tetraloom, leaving the overall account balance to 20. So, it's just a graph. And what really makes it fun is if you click, you'll then go to that person's account. I guess this guy's not opened yet. So it just gives you like step 1 open, step 2 burn. But for addresses that are more interesting, you'll actually find a history to them. So, for example, the donation account, you can see NanoPaint was one of the accounts that it was sending transactions with. And if I click it, then it will show you the history of NanoPaint. So you get the most recent transactions. You can hit back to, go even further back. You can hit forward to go forward. You can zoom out by hitting the minus sign, so you can get kind of the shape of the overall history on this account. NanoPaint is rather linear in manner because people use it, but then when it goes and sends money to the faucet and whatnot, you can see that it drops. So maybe I want to look at this, and so I zoom in or something, but and go get it. Yeah, so you can hit the plus sign and zoom in, and then I go, okay, I want to check out Tetraloom again, and then I'm back here. So yeah, the different accounts are the numbers are in red whenever it's sending, and then they're in green whenever it's receiving. So, like this guy donated, I don't know who that is, but he sent 2 nano, and so you can see that on April 21st, 2 was credited to the Tetraloom account, or rather to the donation account. So yeah, that's the Explorer's visual components. There's one more thing. If you click the address at the top, it'll give you this drop-down, which can be very useful. I guess I need to get a more interesting account that has some money in it so you can appreciate the value of it. But let's see, it looks like someone here is going to have a bunch. Okay, so I found an account that has a bunch of nano in it. In this case, Binance has quite a bit of nano. So if you click the address, what you'll see is the following. You get the account, you get the representative, and if you click these, it'll copy that to the clipboard. In this case, the account and representative have the same address because Binance is its own representative. And then you also get a breakdown of the account's current value. So right now it's got about 700,000 nano, which is equal to around $650,000, 580,000 euros, 70 million yen, 3.4 million Brazilian reals, or however they're pronounced, almost $1 million Australian dollars, and then 11 million ZAR. So these include a currency from every continent. So, hopefully everybody involved has some frame of mind as to how valuable the amount of nano is. But I couldn't list every currency on the planet, of course, but I tried to get a good representative lot. Okay, Noah from the future. I forgot to mention that if you click the amount of nano, you'll get the exact amount of raw written to your clipboard. And if you click a fiat currency, then you'll get that exact amount written to your clipboard as well. Okay, and then you also have this QR code, which you can scan and send money. In this case, I don't recommend that you send money to Binance, but you could if you wanted. And then this Natrium link. And if you click that, it'll, open it up in the Natrium app, or if you have a different cryptocurrency app, it'll probably work. But, that's how that works. But if you click off, then you get back to this graph. And, that's basically it. You just click your account. This is NanoPaint once more. And you open it up, explore, look at things. It's rather useful. You can see the representative. Oh, and it also involves Nano Ninja verification. So if you click the little green check mark, it'll then open up the owner's info in My Nano Ninja. So that's where I get all the names, and got to give them credit for that. They give a pretty useful service, and I took advantage of it. So I hope you enjoy NanoSpider. I think it has an opportunity to really help people come to a visual understanding of nano. It's just kind of fun, when I start clicking around, you'll get to all sorts of different accounts, things you didn't expect. And it's cool too, because you can kind of see who's real and who's bots and stuff based on how the nano flows. And, what this kind of shows is it's a good compromise between the, raw transaction history and the visual graphs that we've had in a prior crawler. So you can go find other crawlers where, it shows an account going to a million other accounts, then from those accounts going to a million others, and it's confusing. But I thought this trade-off gave us a maximally understandable way of looking at these data. So anyways, that's NanoSpider. Hopefully you enjoy it.